So, happy 2026! According to a new article from the Financial Times, link in the description, Apple is rumored to be reducing manufacturing and marketing spending for the Vision Pro, even after releasing the M5 Vision Pro a few months ago. Sensor Tower, a company that collects usage stats on software and hardware, found that Apple spent around 95% less on marketing for the headset in 2025. In addition, IDC, another data analytics company, said that they expect Apple shipped around 45,000 new Vision Pro headsets in the quarter 4 2025. Financial Times concludes that this is a rare failure from Apple to get customers onto their newest platform, and they even compare the estimated 45,000 Vision Pro units sold in quarter 4 2025 to the millions of iPhones, iPads, and MacBooks sold. I think it's an odd article since while I'm sure all the stats here are accurate, they're being interpreted wrongly. The Vision Pro isn't meant to be a big hit with casual consumers. I mean, it's $3,500. It would be much weirder if it did sell well. Tim Cook himself said this in an earnings call, bringing up that, quote, it's not a mass market product. Right now, it's an early adopter product. People who want to have tomorrow's technology today, that's who it's for, end quote. And that's how it's been seen as at Apple for as long as it's been out. Instead of immediately making a cheaper, less powerful Vision Pro, they released the M5 version, giving developers more power for their apps and games. The way I see it, these 2 or 3 years before the Vision Air or any cheaper Vision headset are just time for developers to fully flesh out their spatial experiences, and for early adopters to get a glimpse into the near future of Apple's spatial computing dream, even if that glimpse is very expensive and very heavy. Anyways, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed, and take care.